everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a beautiful, textured, and best of all, low-maintenance garden? Then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rock garden design, and I'm going to give you all the secrets to creating a stunning landscape that practically takes care of itself. We're covering everything from the definition to the best rock materials you can use. Let's dig in. A rock garden at its core is a specialized garden featuring an artistic arrangement of rocks, stones, and gravel, typically combined with plants that naturally thrive in rocky or alpine environments. It is essentially an attempt to mimic the rugged, natural beauty of a mountain slope or a rocky outcrop. Unlike a regular flowerbed, the hardscape, the rocks themselves, is just as important, if not more so, than the plants. The rocks provide the structure, drainage, and a unique microclimate that allows specific, often drought-tolerant, plants like alpines and succulents to flourish. Whether you opt for a sprawling, naturalistic style or a minimalist, Zen-inspired design, the rock garden is a celebration of both resilience and stillness in nature. The benefits of incorporating a rock garden into your landscape are numerous, making them an incredibly practical and beautiful choice for many homeowners. Primarily, they are known for being exceptionally low maintenance. Once established, rock gardens require minimal watering, no mowing, and the thick layer of rock or gravel acts as a superb weed suppressant, drastically cutting down on your weeding time. This low water requirement also makes them a champion of xeriscaping, or water-wise gardening, which can lead to significantly lower water bills and is much better for the environment. Furthermore, a well-designed rock garden solves several tricky landscaping problems. It provides excellent drainage in areas with heavy clay soil, prevents erosion on slopes, and adds year-round architectural interest thanks to the permanent nature of the stone and the use of hardy, often evergreen plants. For small spaces, they add incredible depth and texture without demanding a lot of open area. To elevate your rock garden from a pile of stones to a stunning feature, the key is to prioritize a naturalistic, intentional look. Start by choosing rocks of varying sizes, using a few large keystone boulders as focal points or anchors. Burying them partially into the soil will make them look like they've always been there. Next, pay close attention to texture and color by layering in smaller rocks, pebbles, and gravel, which not only look beautiful but also act as mulch. Think about pathways. Using flat flagstones or a contrasting color of gravel to create a winding path can invite exploration and give structure. Incorporate a small, serene water feature, such as a subtle fountain or a dry creek bed made entirely of river stones, to introduce movement and sound. Finally, the plants are the jewelry. Use vibrant creeping ground covers to cascade over the rocks and soften the hard edges, while taller, sculptural plants like dwarf conifers or spiky succulents can add crucial vertical interest. By following nature's lead and adding these deliberate design elements, your rock garden will achieve a timeless, sophisticated beauty. Choosing the right rock is crucial for both the aesthetic and the health of your plants. Here are some of the best materials to consider. First, sandstone. A classic choice, known for its warm, natural hues and porous texture, which helps with drainage and provides excellent pockets for planting. Second, limestone. Offers a cool, often gray or white aesthetic. Please note that it can raise the soil's pH or alkaline, so pair it with plants that prefer alkaline conditions. Third, granite. Extremely hard and durable, granite is perfect for creating strong, permanent features and focal points. Often comes in speckled or gray colors. Fourth, lava rock. Lightweight and highly porous, making it an excellent moisture retainer and a great choice for succulent gardens, available in dark reds or blacks. Fifth, river rock or pebbles. Smooth and rounded, these are ideal for creating dry creek beds, decorative mulch, or for a clean Zen garden aesthetic. Sixth, decomposed granite. This fine, sandy material packs down well, making it perfect for natural-looking pathways and patios within the rock garden structure. Seventh, slate. Flat, angular slabs that can be used to create terracing, vertical accents, or unique layered pathways. There you have it, your complete guide to creating a stunning rock garden. It's a design style that proves you don't have to sacrifice beauty for practicality. Whether you're reclaiming a difficult, sloped area or just want a serene, water-wise feature, A rock garden is a timeless addition to any landscape. The combination of durable stone and resilient plants creates a piece of art that will bring you joy for years with minimal effort. Now it's your turn. Which rock material is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and share a picture of your current or planned rock garden. If this video inspired you, smash that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more beautiful, practical landscaping ideas. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest upload. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!